The pure mathematician like the musician, which is a free creator of his world of ordered beauty by Bertrand Russell. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. I hope that you're safe on wherever you are. Sa video na to ay may matututunan ka. Ngunit ano nga ba? Ano-ano nga ba ang iyong matututunan? So let's have an objectives here. At the end of this unit or lesson, I am able to, or you are going to able to, first, define tax, commission, and fees. Second, solve real-world problems involving tax, gratitude, commissions, and fees. Third, solve real-world problems involving percent using equation, tables, and graphs. And fourth, identify the constant of proportionality, example, tax, rate, commission, in graphs, equation, and tables, and in the content of the situation. So what are you waiting for? Get your notes, ballpen, and syempre, di mawawala ang calculator. Mahirap magkamali, di ba? Oops, mahaba na ata itong intro na ito. Halina't makinig, matuto at simulan ang video lesson na ito. Pero wait, ano nga ba ang lesson natin? Ang lesson natin for this video lesson is all about tax, commission, fees, and real-world problems on percent. And to have an idea, let's have a quick overview. So, welcome to the third unit of this module, Future Mathematicians. You've already know how to compute the simple and compound interest. And I know you can already use it in dealing with real-life problems along your way. In this unit, you will discover other concepts which will be very beneficial to you as a future professional of our society. You will be allowed to make scenarios in real world related to how you budget your allowance in school and home. You will also be asked to work collaboratively with other students in making predictions based on some situation with regards to several variables, and encourage you to be a critical thinker and maximize the use of all information that you have to come up with a good decision. I will also ask you to provide explanation in full details if you want to justify your thoughts and answer. Good luck and God bless! At ngayon, mayroon tayong mga tao na nais magbigay kaalaman patungkol sa mga nasabing topics. We will call them as tutors. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Halika na at kilalanin na natin sila. For our first tutor is from BSED 2A, taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics, studying at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. She lives in Santor, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija, and she also believes that the hardest thing in the world to understand is the tax income by Albert Einstein. For our first topic, which is tax, may we call on Miss Sandy May M. Rigat.
Good day everyone, I'm Sandy May M. Rigat from BS82A. So in this video, I will discuss about the tax and how to compute it. So first, what is tax? So tax is a compulsory contribution to state revenue levied by the government on workers' income and business profits or added to the cost of some goods, services, and transactions. So ang buwis daw o ang tax ay isang sapilitang kontribusyon sa kita ng estado na ipinapataw ng mga gobyerno sa kita ng mga manggagawa o kita ng mga negosyo at dinadagdag sa halaga ng mga ilang produkto, serbisyo o mga transaksyon. A tax is a compulsory financial charge or some other type of levy imposed on a taxpayer by a governmental organization in order to fund government spending and various public expenditures. A failure to pay along with the evasion of or resistance to a taxation is punishable by law. So there are many types of tax, but we are just focused here in sales tax. So what is sales tax first? So sales tax, it is an additional amount of money you pay based on a percentage of the selling price of goods and services that are purchased. So, for example, a dealership is selling a used car with a sticker price of $10,500. If state sales tax is 8%, how much will the taxes on purchasing the car be? So this is the formula for tax. So tax is equal to rate of sales times the cost of item or the purchase price. So the rate of sales tax here is 8%. So we are converted it into the decimal, which is 0.08, and the purchase price or the cost of item is $10,500. So 0.08 times $10,500 is equal to $840. So the amount paid in sales tax is determined by multiplying the decimal value of the tax rate by the sticker price of the car. So therefore, the total tax is $840.
Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us. Alam kong sabik na kayo sa susunod na lesson, kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let me introduce our next tutor. She's from BSED 2A, taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, studying at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. She lives in Santo Tomas, Aliaga, Nueva Ecija. She's believing that the Great Commission is not an option to be considered. It is a command to be obeyed by Hudson Taylor. Let us all welcome our second tutor is no other than me, Sheila May D. Badua. A blissful day, everyone. I am Sheila May D. Badua, and my topic that I'm sharing with you is all about commission. Then what is commission first? Commissions are commonly used in sales. A commission is a percent of a sale that a salesperson receives in additional to their pay. Companies use commission as a strategy to encourage employees to sell more. The more that an employee sells, the more money the employee makes. Commissions are common in fields like real estate, car sales, furniture sales, insurance, and many more. A commission is a percentage of a total sales as determined by the rate of commission. So let us denote that commission is equals to rate of commission multiplied by total sales. To find the commission on a sale, multiply the rate of commission by the total sales. Just as we did for computing sales tax, remember to first convert the rate of commission from a percent to a decimal. In this next example, use the part, percent, and whole formula to calculate commissions. So for our first example, Paul is a realtor that receives a 3% commission on the final sale of a house. If he sells the house for $370,000, what will his commission be? To solve this problem, you will again use the formula part is equals to percent multiplied by whole. Since the amount of the commission is calculated as a fraction of the selling price of the house, the commission will be part and the price of the house will be the whole. Let us denote that part is an X, percent is 3%, then we are going to convert it to decimal point, so it will be 0.03. Then the whole is $370,000. And the formula that will be used in this example is part X is equals to percent multiplied by whole. Then substitute the given to the formula. So it will be X is equals to 0.03 multiplied by $370,000. And the answer is 11,100. Therefore, Paul will make an $11,100 commission on the house. Let's proceed on second example. Helene is a realtor. She receives 3% commission when she sells a house. How much commission will she receive for selling a house that costs $260,000? So solution, let's see is the commission. The commission is 3 of the $260,000 price. So we are going to substitute the given on the formula. So it will be C is equals to 0.03 because we convert it to decimal because the commission is 3%. Multiply by 260,000 and the answer is 7,800. Then we are going to change it to percent form. So rate is equals to 8.5%. So 1% of $260,000 is $2,600. And $7,800 is 3 times of $2,600. Therefore, Helene will receive a commission of $7,800. For our last example, example number 3, Ricky earned $87 commission when she sold a $1,450 stove. What rate of commission did she get? So we are going to compute the rate of commission. Solution. The $87 commission is what percent of the $1,450 sale? So we are going to communicate the $87 is equals to rate multiplied by 1,450. Then we are going to divide the 1,450 in both sides. So it will be 87 divided by 1,450 is equals to 1,450 R divided by 1,450. And the answer for the rate of commission is 0.06. Then change it to percent form. So the rate of commission is 6%. Therefore, a 10% commission would have been $145. The 6% of commission is $87. Is a little more than half of that. So that's all for my topic. I hope you are all learned on how to compute the commission in a real problem. Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nununood at patuloy na nakikinig sana hanggang dulo, no? Proceeding to our next tutor, she's from BSED 2A, taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, studying at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, lives in Mabini Home Site, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. And she believes in there's no art when there's no fees, according to Aristophanes. Our third tutor, Miss Althea Jane P. Domingo.
Good day, everyone. I am Althea Jane P. Domingo. The next topic is all about fees. First, what is fees? A fee is a fixed price charged for a specific service. Fees are applied in a variety of ways such as costs, charges, commissions, and penalties. Fees are most commonly found in heavily transactional services and are paid in lieu of a wage or salary. We have an example here of solving the fees. Ivan bought a new computer and printer online. He had to pay 8% in shipping fees. The items totaled $2,500. How much did the shipping cost? We all know that if we bought an item online, we should pay for the shipping fees. So, Ivan needs to know how much did the shipping cost. The formula that we are going to use is SF, or shipping fee, is equal to cost of the item multiplied by the rate. So substitute the given. 2,500 multiplied by 0.08 is 200. So 200 is the shipping fee that Ivan has to pay.
Thank you, Miss Althea Jane P. Domingo, for discussing what is fees and how to solve it. Move on to our last tutor. Nakulas na to ha, kaya makinig ka na. For our last tutor is also from BSED 2A, taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, studying at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. He lives in Santa Maria Licab, Nueva Ecija, and he also believes in Do not mix temporary difficulties with real problems. By Valentina. Let us all welcome Mr. Edward Carlo. It's your turn.
Here are the real-world problems on percent. So first problem, Sachs settled on a phone that cost $600. How much will the phone cost with the tax? So to find the tax, we will need to use the percent formula, that is part is equal to percent multiplied by whole. So our part here is missing and it stands for x. Our percent is 7% and we convert it into decimal form, that is 0.07, and our whole is $600. So x is equal to 0.07 multiplied by 600 and it's equal to $42. So the tax is $42. To find the total amount that you will have to pay, add the tax to the sale price. So the sale price is $600 plus our tax is $42. So the phone will cost $642 with tax. So next problem. A general contractor is hired to build a house. The house will cost $250,000 to build, and the general contractor also includes a 24% fee for the cost to the overall price. How much will the person who hired the contractor have to pay? For this problem, use the first method, find the fee, and then add it to the cost using part is equal to percent multiplied by whole. So the missing again here is part, that is x. So the percent here is 24%, and when we convert it into decimal form, it is 0.24. So our whole, or that sale price, is $250,000. So the formula again is part is equal to percent multiplied by whole. So x, that is our part, is equal to 0.24, that's our percent, and multiply to the whole, that is 250,000. So x is equal to 60,000. So our tax is 60,000. To find the total amount that you will have to pay, add the tax to the sale price. So the sale price is 250,000 plus our tax is 60,000. So the client will have to pay is $310,000.
Ayan, thank you very much to all tutors and of course to our listeners. I hope you learned with us in this video. And I'm sorry to say, but this is the end of our video lesson. And as to end this video, mag-iiwan lamang ako ng tatlong sana all. Una, sana all nanood hanggang dulo. Sana all nga, no? Pangalawa, sana all nakinig hanggang dulo. At ang pangatlo, sana all may natutunan. Ayan, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Keep safe and God bless us all.